You want to use media? You can use media, whether it's an image file, vector graphic, fonts, movies, sound files. You can use all of these things, but they're going to need to be inside of a data folder inside of your sketch folder. So processing uses this data folder in order to find the different media that you have and to link to them and have them useful within your program. So what we're going to talk about is going to be 3 different ways on how to get this folder set up and how to get your files inside of it. Alright, so here I have a blank file created. I just opened it and I know I'm going to want to add an image to it. So one of the things I can do here within processing is go into Sketch and Add File. And when I do this, it's going to bring up a dialog box. I can navigate to where I know my image is going to be. I'm going to use this JPEG image here. I just hit open. And now I can double check it if I go into Sketch and show sketch folder. I should now here have a data folder. Here it is. And here is the image that we just added to it. The other option that I have is to just drag and drop. So I'm going to navigate to here to my desktop. I have this SVG scalable vector graphic file, and I can just drag and drop it onto the window. And again, if I go into our sketch folder, I should be able to see in the data folder that this has been added. So this is another easy way to do it as well. So the last way that you can add files into your sketch is just to create the data folder manually. Right now this sketch isn't saved, but it's in a temporary memory, but I do have a data folder set up. So if I go into Sketch, Show Sketch Folder, we should be able to see the files that we've already added through both the Add File and the drag and drop. So since this is here, I can, let's say I'm going to go into a directory here. I'm just going to choose something random, and I'm going to grab a sequence of images, perhaps not all of these, and I'm going to add these sort of manually to the data folder themselves. They're copied over, so I now have use for them. I can access them now. The other thing I can do is that if I don't have a data folder, I can just create one and add my files to it. If you're going to go about it that way, make sure that you notice that the data folder is lowercase. The D is a lowercase d. That's going to be important for how processing finds it. So you could just create that, add a bunch of files to it, and you should be up and running.